Hey guys, so it is close, so welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I thought I would do another weekend of my life for you guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you guys like it, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and make sure you also subscribe. And with that being said, let's just jump right into this week in my life, or weekend in my life. What am I talking about? Weekend in my life. I keep saying week in my life. So right now it is Friday and I just got ready for school. I have school not this morning, I have school today, and my mom has to take me there early because of her new job. So she is going to drop me off at school at 8 and I'll be there until 3. So typically I'm there at 9, but today I have to be there at 8 and I'll get an extra hour in, which is good because then I can graduate sooner. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and head to school. I can't vlog there, or I would. We're not allowed to have any film or anything. We're allowed to take pictures, but we're not allowed to film, so I'm just gonna kind of talk to you guys when I get out of school. Hey guys, so now I am home from school. I got home from school around 3:10, which is typically when I get home because I'm only 15 minutes to 20 minutes away from my school, so I can typically leave at like the last minute or leave at 3 like I typically do for school because I'm there 9 to 3 and then literally be home within 10 minutes, so it's kind of nice as long as there's no traffic. But anyways, I'm just gonna chilling here on my iPad, and I was listening to music, but I don't want to get copyrighted, so I had to pause it so I could talk to you guys real quick. But I need to reapply my lipstick here in a few, and I need to get ready to go to bowling and charge my phone because I haven't charged it all day. And as you guys know, on Friday nights I go bowling. I'm on a bowling team with my mom, and I didn't get any clips last week, but I'll try to get some clips this week if I can. So I just wanted to update you guys, and I was talking to you guys in a little bit. And also, this is the look. I think I already showed you guys today, but here's the look again. Here's what it looks like 6 hours into wearing it. It looks pretty good still. So we love that color pop. I just got back from bowling about an hour ago, and then I came upstairs to remove my makeup and then do a face mask because my skin has been breaking out so much recently because of the stress I've been dealing with school. So yeah, I just did a face mask to hopefully clear that up, and I used a clay mask with charcoal and I think it had kale in it too, and it is really good for your skin. It's all natural, I believe, and it's from Pacifica, if I pronounced that correctly. So yes, bowling went good, but I'm kind of stressed out because, or kind of frustrated. I shouldn't say stressed out, I should say frustrated because I didn't bowl and I wanted to bowl. But yeah, I'm just kind of chilling here letting this sit, and then hopefully my skin will clear up because I'm having a lot of texture issues and a lot of acne on my face. Hey guys, so I know I haven't talked to you guys today, but it is Saturday and I actually haven't picked up the camera or like vlogged much or anything today because it's kind of like a chill day here. I usually have school on Saturdays for like 4 hours, but today I took it off because I was able to because of my hours. So right now I'm just chilling here watching some YouTube videos and talking to my mom, and then I think that she's gonna get us some lunch here soon, and nothing too much going on today. I think I'm hanging out with a friend tomorrow. But today is pretty chill. Nothing too much going on. It's freezing cold outside, so that's peachy. Where I live, the weather is bipolar, and you never know when it's going to be 30, 50, 60. It is lunchtime, and it looks so good. Mornings with my buddy. It's Sunday morning. You're so cute. I literally cannot with you. You're so freaking cute. Hey guys, so now it is Sunday. I couldn't think of what day it was, and I just got ready and did my makeup and came downstairs about an hour ago, and now my cat is laying on my lap. As you guys saw, I filmed a little bit of that. But here's the makeup for today. I did some red and orange, and yes, I really like how this look turned out. I've been doing this look a lot recently, and I've been loving it. So then my top is from paws.com. And then my leggings are from Target or Walmart or something. Good morning, guys. It is now Monday, and I didn't vlog the rest of yesterday because I forgot. I was busy with Caitlin. She left around 4, but then I just didn't pick up the camera because I wasn't doing anything else. So it is Monday morning, and he is so cute. I can't. Up right now, so I have my beanie on, or my hat, beanie, whatever you want to call it. KK Hearts got it for me last year, and I've been using it for like the longest time now. I love this hat so much. It keeps my ears warm, and with this cold weather that I live in and everything, and it's not too bad outside, but still I know my ears can be sensitive to the cold, so I want to wear my hat because it's cute as well. And I'm about to take my probiotic and everything. Hey guys, I am home from the coffee shop, and sorry about the mess in the background there. My mom put this like mirror that we used to have in the bathroom in my room, and it's been in my room for like ever now. I don't know why it's still in here, but it is. So don't mind that. But I just came home and got changed into my normal outfit of the day. So yes, I am wearing a Christmas shirt. Don't judge me. I really wanted to wear this shirt today. I literally told my guy friend that I was wearing this shirt today, and he was like, hey, it's supposed to snow next week, so it's apparently Christmas time if it's gonna snow. So it's not even Thanksgiving yet, but I'm not even worry about it because I like the shirt. Hey guys, so actually I just got finished straightening my hair because I straightened my hair this morning, but I ended up coming back from the coffee shop and it wasn't straight. So this is what my hair looks like now. It's pretty much straight. It's hard to get it like straight because I do have curly hair, but it is straight. I feel so beautiful today. I don't even know why. I feel beautiful. I look beautiful. I'm in such a good mood, and probably because it's just my day off too. But besides that, I just feel beautiful today. I look beautiful, and I just... Alright guys, this is before I'm cleaning the bathroom counter off, and I'll show you guys after here at some point. Alright guys, so this is what I'm at so far. This is after. It's looking nice, and so is the drawer that I have down here. I put all my skincare stuff down here except for like 2 of them, and my sister's brushes because she keeps her brushes in here. I don't know why she needs 2 of them, but I cleaned that out as well and threw away some stuff that we didn't use anymore. So yeah, it's looking nice. It's looking clean, and I just gotta wipe. Alright guys, so now that I cleaned the bathroom counter and everything, the next thing on my list for today is to clean all my makeup brushes that I use on a daily basis, or almost on a daily basis. So I had to clean about 10 of them, so I don't clean all of them because I don't use all of them. And I just usually clean the ones that need the most cleaning, and I clean them weekly. I clean them usually once or twice a week. Twice a week if I use them a lot, but if I'm only doing like simple looks, it's about once a week I clean them. And all I use to clean them is I use just some baby soap because it's cheaper than getting the actual cleaner for your brushes. They are all clean. They look beautiful. Now I gotta wipe them off with a towel and then let them dry. They are all clean. They look beautiful now. Hey guys, so I am about to do some homework here in a couple minutes because I have to do my Pride, which is learning about products and like writing down the ingredients, writing it down why it's good for your skin and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then that'll be done for the day. And I was also checking up on my last video just to see how many views and everything that it got because I was curious. So yeah, but that's what I'm gonna do. I'm also gonna listen to music, but I'm gonna have to cut that out because of copyright reasons. I might leave a little bit in there, like 5 seconds, because I think we're allowed to do 5 seconds. But besides that, I have to do my Pride on vitamin C. So I will find a product that has vitamin C. It can be drugstore or it can be professional, and I'm gonna see what I can find. Alrighty guys, so after me looking constantly for a product that has vitamin C, I found this Drunk Elephant one, and I did a Pride on this, not on this, but on this brand before, and I really like it, so I think I'm gonna try this one. And it has vitamin C in it, but it's a different name. It's this name that I'm not even gonna try to pronounce right now, but I'm gonna learn more about that too, because in our Pride we have to put down what that vitamin C is, because there's different vitamin C's out there, which I'm learning about now. I'm so happy we're doing our Pride on vitamin C because there's so many different vitamin C's out there. There isn't just one vitamin C like a lot of people think there is. There's a majority of vitamin C's, and that's why I have no idea how to pronounce that. Like I showed you guys, I'm not even going to I don't really even know what kind of vitamin C it fully is, but I'm gonna learn about it. I know that vitamin C brains the skin and it helps like with dull skin and helps from the skin, but I want to see what else vitamin C is good for besides doing those things. And I know there's more qualities to them. I know it's really good for your skin too. It's also good to take daily for your vitamins too, because it can prevent a lot of things with you getting sick. And I also heard, now quote me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure my instructor told me that vitamin C can help with prevent cancer from happening. So I've been taking vitamin C every single day, and we are getting her done. Hey guys, so this is my dinner for tonight. Right now I'm just having some white rice. I think it's brown rice, I'm not sure. It's either white or brown rice, and then just some green beans. I made my own dinner. Sometimes my mom makes dinner, but some days she's not here. So I go ahead and make my own dinner, and this is just what I got, and it looks pretty good to me, and it's better than macaroni and cheese, because macaroni and cheese I have all the time. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Now I almost said live broadcast. Oh my goodness, I've been trying to do this outro for like 5 times now and I can't get it right. But I hope you guys enjoyed this weekend of my life, and this is mainly what happens on the weekends. Sometimes I have plans, other times I don't have plans. It just basically depends. And it's very cold outside too, and from where I live too, which makes me not want to like leave my house all the time because of the cold. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you give it a like. And with all that being said, let me know what videos you want to see in the future. Makeup videos, anything with what I do for school and stuff. Or I can't film school stuff, but I can still do things like that and show you guys what I'm learning in school, like on my free time. And with that being said, make sure you love unconditionally and you be humble. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.